Hi, we're freezing another thing this time. This time it's a brownie box with a mystery object on the inside. Right now I'm filling up the infamous pink bowl. Infamous? I don't know how to say that. Pink bowl where we freeze everything into the freezer in the country. Why am I still talking like this? Oh my god. So yeah. Oh! That was dumb. So yeah, we'll get back to you when it's full. Okay, so we've got it all filled up. Then we take this brownie box. I said brownie weird. And we insert it. It's empty. Well, except for the mystery item thing. I mean, there's no more brownies left. I can't get it in the water.
Should we just like get it all wet and then like stick it in there so it all freezes?
That might work. Oh, it's weakening. Best we can do.
Okay. To the fridge.
Freezer.
Freezer. I did that last time.
Yes, you did.
Okay. Oh. Pizza fell.
Wait for it.
Don't wait for it, actually. Put it in.
I'm putting it in.
Okay.
Bye, brownie.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to have you comment and tell us what you think is in the box.